Hey guys, just want to make a video for you today. Today I finally went over 500,000 miles and really excited about it. More than anything else, I'm just excited about the journey that it's been to get to this point. As you've seen, I've replaced many parts. I've gone through many different things and challenges along the way, and really just wanted to document this point, really seeing the halfway point of where I'd like to go, and obviously beyond 1,000,000 miles. I really just wanted to kind of reflect on this moment, getting halfway, getting to 500,000 miles, and just kind of think about what's gone on since then. I know that there's many people who have even more than 500,000 miles than me, and I'm happy for them. I'm excited for them. But more than anything for me, I just want to thank God for every mile that I've gone through up until this point. It's been a wild ride. I've gone through death wobble. I've lost a wheel hub assembly on the side of the road smoking. I've almost lost dual tires in the rear from lug nuts like almost shearing off. I've had so many close calls along the way where it was just so dangerous on the road. Trying to get off the road, whether it was wind, ice, rain, and just to still be here in one piece. I'm just so grateful and thankful to God for me still being here, first of all, but keeping this truck on the road, and just all the experiences that I've had in this truck, going through all these miles. So just wanted to get this video out and record it, and just kind of think about these things today for myself, for you. If you are going to be reaching your next milestone, your next whatever goal you have for your truck, if you're going to be upgrading things, take the time to really consider what's going on with your truck. How have things been for you on your journey? What are some things that you've had to battle with on your vehicle along the way? For me, I've got a whole laundry list of things, and I'm grateful for every mile I've had, and I don't know what's in store for me. I could drive away right now and my truck completely fall to pieces, the turbo go out, transmission fall apart, but at the end of the day, I'm just grateful for what I have, what I've gone through, that I'm still safe. It's been a lot of miles, a lot of dangerous situations along the way, and I'm just grateful for that. And I just wanted to share this moment with you guys, and hope you are doing well, and I'll catch you later on the road. Have a good day. Bye-bye.